he is running away.
No. What are you being a
Please
dick
stop your
for?
vehicle. You are driving illegally.
What are you being a dick for? People are just trying to race me. What are you being a dick for?
Excuse me, you're driving illegally.
what, you
You're
being a
under
twat?
arrest.
No, you are. You faggot.
Excuse me.
If you drive around doing that.
You're under
You
arrest. I'm
faggot.
making the track a safer place.
No, you're not. You're just being a dick. You're wrecking everyone's game.
No, sir. I'm
you fuck
helping
off.
everyone's game. Why stopping
No,
you
no,
from
you're
crashing?
not. You're being a twat. You're a Mongol, aren't you? You're full
I
on
beg your
Mongol.
pardon. Do not be rude to a police officer.
Police officer, you're a fucking maggot.
Do not be so rude.
You're a
I'll
wannabe
add
police
that.
officer.
Right, that is very
Shut up, you
naughty.
faggot.
That is going in the evidence book.
What a dick, wrecking people's fucking games.
You are driving without insurance, I believe, sir.
Fucking twat.
Do not call me that word. That is another offence.
Look, this is what I mean, you get idiots just to wreck people's games. Trying to
No,
run it,
sir,
just
I'm making
doing
the
that,
game
what for?
better.
No, you're not. You're wrecking everyone's game. You dick.
No,
Look.
sir. I am helping
How are people
everyone
meant to
by
drive around when
stopping
you're just
you.
crashing into people? You're not helping no one, are you?
No, sir. If you have an accident in an
No,
uninsured
stop calling me
vehicle,
sir,
it's very
you
bad.
fucking dick. I'm gonna phone your mum in a minute. Tell her to ground you, you little twat.
How very rude, sir.
I know if
I'm
it
going
was
to
in
phone
real
for
life,
backup.
you'd get a beating.
Bye bye.
No, you're not. Shut you fucking. No, English little maggot. Look, he's muted me.
I apologise about leaving. I was talking to a fellow officer.
You aren't. Your mum's telling me you're grounded for wrecking everyone's game.
No,
Instead,
sir.
just gonna
I
switch
was.
that electric
I'm
off so you
helping.
can't go on the computer.
You're driving uninsured.
Your electric went out, didn't it?
No, sir.
You're driving a Mongol.
No, sir. I was checking my
Yes,
evidence
sir.
book against
Yes, sir.
you.
You're driving a Mongol, aren't you? You fucking
Your
dick.
car is uninsured.
Shut up. Fucking
It is an illegal offence. I will have to seize your vehicle, sir.
Oh,
You will
take
pay
it,
a
mate. Go on,
fine,
take it. Look, you're the
and you
little
will
dream
pay
world, aren't you? You
storage fee.
faggot. You should be playing on
Storage
like
fee of
Disney
so
games,
so
not on
pounds.
this.
If you
You're
do not
playing Disney
return,
games.
if you do not recover your vehicle, it will be crushed.
Oh, he's a fucking full-on idiot. He's in his own little dream world.
anymore.
Do not call me no words. It is offensive.
You're a
Public
fool.
Order Act.
Your fucking mum's disturbing. She's an offence.
You will be spending the night in the cell,
Arrest
sir.
that bitch. No, shut up. What are you talking? You fucking
You're going
idiot.
to be
You'll be spending a
in the
night in the
cells.
cell, sir. He's a dick. Look, he thinks he's a cop in real life. Then he gets his
I
uniform
am a
on. Then he
copper,
gets
sir.
one of them dress-up shops, gets his little uniform on. No, you're not, you dick.
Do not be so rude to me, sir. I am a real policeman.
I'm
Do
a
not get
copper.
me angry.
Real policeman. You're not even fucking. You're still in school, mate.
Do not make me
Still
get
in
my
nappies. You
handcuffs.
fucking dick. Handcuffs.
The
What, you
handcuffs
let
are
them off
coming
your
out.
hand? Yeah, they're your mum's handcuffs. Them little pink furry ones.
No, they are
uses.
mine. They are the police ones. They are police
When all them men
issued,
come
sir.
round to the house, you know when them 4 men come round, and they'll strap up to the bed. So
No,
you says
sir.
it's 7 spit roast, and you think they're having dinner.
I
Yeah,
live. I
you
live on
dick.
my own, sir. You are not. You are damaging the tarmac, sir. That is a further fine of £200.
You're damaging people's cars. I'd love to damage your
sir.
face.
That is
Yeah.
that is a
Drive
threat.
me-
That is a very bad offence, sir.
I'd crash into you.
No, sir, you're driving uninsured. You're causing accidents, and that is bad because you are uninsured. You could kill someone, and you were uninsured. Very naughty.
You don't even know what you're talking about. You ain't even got a car in real life, but you ain't even got a driver's license.
Yes, I do,
You're
sir.
still on your fucking push bike going to school.
I see you. I see you have an out-of-date
Yeah.
tax, sir.
You're just being a dick.
Please visit the post office and buy one, sir. Your tax disc is out of date.
Wasn't it last year?
That is no
Mine's out of
insurance, no tax disc, probably no MOT. Very naughty. Probably only on a
You ain't
provisional
gonna get none, mate.
license.
In 10th place now. I wish I could, mate. I'd step out and beat you.
No, sir. Do not make threats. That is a public
Yeah,
order
I meant
offence.
threats, mate. I'll fucking kick your ass. You're out
No, so-
pounding.
Keep on that gas.
Forza does not allow this behaviour, sir.
Counting, right?
It is not as
Fuck off, you twat.
it is not as
Oh,
naughty
dude,
as
I
you.
felt the vibration. And it's
So
not
I
even
can't wait to
feeling
get my next car on me, because you ain't even gonna fucking catch me.
Yes, I will, sir. You cannot escape
You won't,
the law.
I'm telling you now.
Yes, I will,
Fucking
sir.
Yes.
You cannot
You will
escape
not
the
catch
law.
me, mate. You will not catch me, I'll
The
be
law
fucking
will
gone.
catch you. The law catches everyone.
Ah, look, what are you gonna
and you
do?
will
What
be
are you
in the
gonna do?
cell.
Ah, fuck all, you can't do shit there, can you? Ah, look,
You'll be
go on,
in the
what are you
cell,
gonna
sir.
do? What are you gonna do? Ah,
I will call for
you're in a
backup,
cell,
sir.
a fucking padded one. No, you
Excuse
ain't,
me, sir.
dick. You're in a fucking game. You think you're a fucking real cop? Ah,
No,
look,
sir.
you did this shit. You missed me then,
I'm a
faggot.
policeman.
You fucking missed me. You're not. You're a
I'm
wanker.
going to come and bring the handcuffs and place you in a cell overnight.
This guy
Coming
is
for
a
you.
10 out of 10 for fucking faggot.
No, sir. Do not call me such words. They are very offensive. Public order
You
act, sir.
fucking swat.
Assaulting a police officer in pursuit.
Oh, what a
Oh, this
Hello,
shadow.
guy's an
What
actual
a
faggot.
shadow.
Pull over your vehicle
Oh,
Go
right
get a
now.
life.
You will
What?
not
Oi,
evade the
catch
law.
me, bro. Catch me.
Step out your vehicle. I will get the handcuffs.
Oh, dude, you can't even wreck me.
I'm not trying to wreck you, sir. I'm trying to put an end to your mayhem.
And the
Oh,
thing on this
360
game where you
donuts,
can
4
just like
days.
change it to where people can't
Please pull
crash into
over.
you. You couldn't do shit then.
Dude, you're so gay.
No, sir. I'm a policeman.
Dude, you
part of
didn't even
Forza-
catch me that whole thing.
I'm part of the Forza Driving
You didn't even
Enforcement
apprehend
Team.
me.
Forza Driver Enforcement Team here, and I'm arresting you.
Shut
You've
up,
been
you're
very
such a homo,
naughty.
no one likes you.
Be quiet,
Just
sir.
ignore
I did not ask you to
Shut
speak.
up.
Dude, shut up.
You do not overtalk a policeman. You'll be going
I
in
am
the
muting
cell.
you after this. I am muting you. I don't
You're
care.
going in the cells.
I'm muting you.
You're going into the cells, young man.
What the fuck do you achieve, mate? You're a fucking sad little cunt.
I don't know what I don't like.
Yes, why did
You
not?
sitting there shooting your own teammate, you daft cunt.
I did not shoot you.